And welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey, listen friends, I want to come on here real quick and show you what I've been working on behind the scenes. But before I show you, I just want to tell you a little quick story. I seen this item and I saw it coming down the pipeline as far as one of the craft stores. And I thought, oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my hands on this because I already knew what I could do with it and how to elevate it. And I was really excited about it. So I couldn't wait to find it in the stores, and I finally found it. So if you're ready, let me show you what I'm talking about. I found this little cutie. Let me bring her in close. I saw her and I thought, how cute is she? And I thought, I would love to get my hands on her and elevate her. So real quick, I want to show you what I did with her. You ready? Here we go. Look at how cute she is, friends. Let me bring her in close so you can see her. I thought she turned out so cute, and it's exactly what I wanted to do. And I thought, oh my gosh, I couldn't be more happier. So yeah, friends, I wanted to come on here and show you real quick how cute she turned out. Now, it's I already knew in my mind what I was going to do. So really all I did was, you know, went ahead and disassembled her, took off her hat very carefully because of her hair, and pulled her hair back. And I went in with my apple barrel paint called a light mocha. But even the light mocha wasn't light enough, so I added a little bit of white to it and lightened it up even more. And I just went in with a little paintbrush and painted her whole entire face. Once you put your first coat on, let that dry, and then go on with the second coat because you don't want any of that to come back up. The other thing I did too, I went ahead and removed her little collar here because I really wasn't, you know, liking that silver and black. I was going to start with a whole different skirt, but I thought, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to add more work to myself, so I left it. Now, once the face was dry, I went in with a Sharpie marker and just went in with the detailing work and, drew her face on, drew her little mouth, and then, just added a little bit of light in her eyes and her smile. The hat as well, I took it apart and added, made the brim a little thicker by using a little piece of cardboard, put some more stuffing on here. Anywho, friends, I just added some embellishments on the top, a little bow and a little black rose up there, and I glued it all back together. Now, as far as the tutu, I just used some mesh that I had on hand, and this little mesh has these cute little spider webs. I made the little tutu, and I just did a little running stitch, glued it all the way around her, and I also did the same thing for her collar. I wanted to find some lace, but I didn't have it, friends. So, friends, use what you have on hand. So I just made a little, had a little mesh and made that little collar up there, and I had an extra rose and put a little rose up there for her. Anywho, friends, I added some little bows at the bottom of her shoes. And friends, I thought she turned out so cute. I had to come on here and show her to you. Friends, I have this little candle holder, and I just set her right on there. And friends, how cute is this for the holiday coming up? I thought, oh my gosh, I just had to come on here and show you. Anywho, I hope this video inspires you to get out there and get crafty. And if it does, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to sprinkle me out. And friends, until we see each other again, take care and bye-bye.
Rustic Rose, season a home.